In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn negative numbers into positive ones in Google Sheets. We all know that dealing with numbers, especially negative ones, can sometimes be a bit tricky. But don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll have mastered two simple and effective methods for converting those pesky negative numbers into positive ones, making data handling a whole lot easier for you. Let's dive straight into it with the first method, the multiplication method. Imagine you have a negative number in one of your cells. In the cell right next to it, here's what you want to do. Start by typing the equals sign, which signals to Google Sheets that you're about to enter a formula. Next, click the cell with the negative number. Let's say it's B2. You should see something like "It's B2 appear. Now, to convert that negative figure to a positive number, multiply this reference by -1. Your formula should now read EB2G1. Once you press enter, watch the magic happen as it turns your negative number into a positive one. Interestingly, if you perform the same multiplication on a positive number, it will flip to a negative one. Remember, this simple trick is based on the math principle that multiplying by -1 changes the sign of the number. Now, moving on to our second method, which is just as straightforward. This involves using the ABS function, which stands for absolute value. This function is fantastic because it focuses purely on the magnitude and casts aside any negative signs. To apply this method, begin by typing an equals sign again in the adjacent cell, followed by the letters ABS. After that, open a parenthesis and click the cell with your negative number, which is once again B2 in this example. Close the parenthesis so your formula reads AB2 and press enter. You'll see that the cell now displays the positive equivalent of the negative number, thanks to the absolute value calculation. The beauty of the ABS method is particularly evident when dealing with positive numbers. While the multiplication method changes positive numbers to negative upon multiplication with -1, the ABS function simply retains the positive nature of positive numbers, outputting the same positive value. This can be very handy when you want to ensure all numbers remain positive regardless of their initial state. So there you have it, two powerful methods to transform your negative numbers to positive in Google Sheets. Whether you choose to use the multiplication method for its versatility or the ABS function for its simplicity, you now have the tools you need to handle your data with confidence and precision. Thanks for watching and happy computing.